art integration project on subject biology on topic Mendel's law by roll number 41 to 45. Group members Nabiha Mansoor, Neha Kumari, Naman Kumar, Om Kumar, Niranjan Kumar. Heredity. Heredity, also called inheritance or biological inheritance, is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring. Law of domination. When parents with pure contrasting traits are crossed together, only one form of trait appears in the next generation. The hybrid offspring will exhibit only the dominant trait in the phenotype. Who is Mendel? Mendel is known as father of genetics as he discovered the mechanism of transmission of character from one generation to the next. Mendel was born in Silesian village in Austrian Empire on July 22, 1822 to a farmer's family. He was a brilliant student. After graduation, Mendel joined monastery at Brunn. In 1843, at the age of 21, he became a priest in 1847. In 1851, Mendel went to University of Vienna for study of science and mathematics. He returned to Brunn as substitute teacher. He served as teacher for 14 years. Later, he was made to abbot of the monastery. He wanted to know how plants look similar to their parents. To know how plants inherit their parent character, he conducted an experiment. So he cross-pollinated purple flower with white pea flower to see what happened. Let's see what happened now. He used pea plant because they are easy to grow, they could be bred easily and have some observable characteristics. Example flower, pot shape, size, etc. To his surprise, he saw all new plant has purple flower. So he leave those plants to self-breed. Again, he was surprised by the result. This time, he saw 3 plants was having purple flower and 1 plant having white flower. 3:1 ratio. Then he traced the result among the generation and discovered 4 genetics law. Principle of paired factor. A character is represented in an organism by at least 2 factors. The 2 factors lie on the homologous chromosome at the same locus. The law of segregation. Each inherited trait is defined by a gene pair. The law of independent assortment. Genes of different traits are sorted separately from one another so that the inheritance of one trait is not dependent on the inheritance of other. The law of dominance. An organism with the alternate form of gene will express the form that is dominant. 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plant. Law of dominance. Law of dominance is known as the first law of inheritance. In this law, each character is controlled by distinct unit called factors, which occurs in pair. In pair are heterozygous, one will always dominate the other. Conclusion. This project helped us a lot to learn about Mendel's law. Through graphics and picture, it is much easier to understand these laws. I would like to thank my biology teacher for helping us in this project. Thank you.